Hey friends, Mr. Stevey here. And as you can see, today I'm not on my mat. Today I'm outside. Okay friends, when you're taking your meditation practice out of the house, here's some things to consider. The weather. Is it raining that day? Is it going to be super hot that day? Another thing to consider, friends, is bugs. Where I live, during this time of year, there are a lot of bugs outside. And so if bugs bother you, if you're distracted by bugs, take precautions. We got the bug spray today, so we're okay. Other things to consider. Time of day. We're here, it's before noon, kind of early afternoon. I usually like meditating in the morning, but this is a good time of day to come outside. The wind is blowing, waves are rolling, and so this is where I've chosen. Chose a nice little spot right here. Nice little beachy scene. There's a nice little rock right here that I'll show you guys in a minute. But this is where I'm going to do a quick little outside nature meditation. Hey friends, so I was lucky enough to find this nice little spot right here. And I guess a choice of rock to sit on. And that's another thing to consider, friends. When you're out meditating, I could have brought a towel today. I did. I left it in the car. I forgot about it. But I found this rock. I'm going to have a seat on it and do a quick micro meditation. So there it is, friends. A nice micro meditation outside in a nice, peaceful spot, being thankful. Until the next video, stay calm, friends.